Hi, this is Xperia and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon. Here you'll see this down section with invisible options. To add them to our panel, we should just hold it and drag it. To remove some of them by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to the down section. And to change the positions of the icons on the panel, we should just hold them and drag. To reset all of the changes, click to the three dots and tap to reset, or just tap to go back to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.